for a high level code to 3 address code. So here is a sample string that are going to parse, and here is the CFG that we will use to parse a string. And this CFG is actually an assignment expression where on the left side there is an identifier or variable, and on the right side there is a, an arithmetic expression. And so let's start from this string. So we will start from the starting variable, that is s goes to identifier equal sign e, and identifier here is the g, so g equal sign e. And from this e we have to produce this arithmetic expressions. First of all, we produce this plus sign, and for plus sign we have this e goes to e plus e, e goes to e plus e, and from left e we produce identifier, that is a. And from so we have produced till this, so now we have to produce this portion from this e. So we would use production e goes to e minus e, that is e goes to e minus e, and from left e we produce b, and from right e we have to produce these brackets. So we use this production rule, e goes to e bracket open close and e. So we come here, and from this e we have to produce this static. So we will use this production, e goes to e static e, and this e goes to c, and this e goes to d. So we have produced this syntax tree using this context free grammar for this string. So now we have to traverse this tree, and using the syntax structure translation and arithmetic rules of this CFG, we have to output the 3 address code. So you start from here, and there you see a reduction, e goes to a, and here we will assign that identifier to e's attribute. So a comes here, similarly b comes here, and c comes here, and d comes here. And when we reach here, we see e goes to e static e, this one, and its rules are create a new temp variable, and we print that temp variable, then equal sign, then left e attribute, that is c, and right e attribute, that is d. So we emit that a line of code, and that is this new temp variable. Let's say it t1, this equal sign, then c, and this d. So then next we move here, e goes to e, nothing happens, just we assign this child's attribute value to parents attribute, and this is t1, so t1 comes here at this point. And when we come at this point, e goes to e minus e, we use this rule, and that is create a new temp variable t2, and print e, and left child's attribute, that is b, minus right child attribute, that is t. So we write here b minus t1. And similarly over here you see e plus e, this rule is fired, and we get t3 is equal to a plus t2. And when we reach here, this rule is fired, identifier is equal to g is equal to e dot v. This e dot v is actually t3, so it is g is equal to t3. So this is a simple example of syntax structure translation.